The Ministry for the Local Government Service was also tasked that because new regional administrations going to be created, there will be a need to employ. Financial clients were given to them. And so one of the advantages of this creation of the new regions is the creation of employment. Apart from the employment generated by the construction of this infrastructure, we have also over 2,000 people were employed in order to fill in the positions that will be created by the creation of these new regions. I've mentioned the creation of the new House of Chiefs, and later on they may show you the new regional House of Chiefs structure for all the 6 new regions, a 350 sister hall and other offices for the chiefs and people in the new regional houses. In the 2020 budget, the President gave approval for the construction of new regional police command. They have also had to put up new government bungalows in all these 6 new regions. And that is also found expression. This is what the promises have been approved in the 2020 budget. But it's also important to state that because of this creation of these new regions, in each new regional administration, we have 2 representatives by the National Constitution of the National House of Chiefs who are going to be there. We are going to have representation of Regional Police Committee, Regional Prisons Committee, Regional Lands Commission. So when we talk about deepening of the decentralization, all these people who normally will have had only one representation at one regional office are going to have these representations in the 6 new regions. They will have a representation too at the National Development Planning Commission, and also very soon next year they are going to elect somebody into the National House of Chiefs.